Hi. I'm heading for Yacht. Hi. Welcome to my GoPro. Yeah, you've already got really high SOV in my video. Yeah. Hi. Of course, it's on YouTube. It's a long story, alright. Yeah. Yeah. Hi.
Yo yo.
And to think that for you I would have put it all on hold.
Hi.
In the sand till it turned to gold. Midas hands, but we all grow old.
Yeah.
Let my soul, let my heart turn stone. Guess I got.
Oh. Thank you. I'm actually intern. Not qualified.
I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about rolling no dud on my
We need a best in class example.
I might come running back.
Are you shooting for a kiwi?
When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. Through my secret sauce, boo in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us.
It's gonna be his own YouTube channel, so be careful.
Behave.
Delete the ugly shit.
Oh, I'll provide an A copy and B copy for you to review.
Give them my Instagram, tell them I'm single.
Single is important.
Floss, yeah. With my new biddy, she ain't let my off yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this. All snap, now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next door, at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's.
Hello, Shafali.
Hi, son. We're so happy to have you.
So happy to meet you.
No, this ain't the time for the two of us.
We could have had it all. Have my heart inside of your hand, and you made it to the beat.
Yeah, so it's about to finish.
Time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space. Thinking about you.
Please subscribe and like all the videos.
Oh my god, so sweet.